like the video, do like and subscribe to my channel.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anita's cooking channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make Kasuri Methi, curry leaf and Pudina powder by drying the fresh herbs in microwave. So let's get started. For the Kasuri Methi, take Methi leaves, wash them, rinse them. Let them be free from all dirt and impurities. Now we pat dry the leaves. This is a very important step. Now let's take a microwave safe plate and spread the methi leaves evenly. Spreading the leaves evenly will help them to get roasted well. Now let's place the plate in the microwave. Microwave it high for 10 minutes. Now you see after 10 minutes the leaves have dried well. Now let them cool down. And when they are cool, you crush them with the help of your palms. Now we do the same way for curry leaves. The cleaned curry leaves and the dried curry leaves have gone inside the microwave for 3 minutes, and after they cool down, we crush them the same way as we did with the methi leaves. Now we do the mint or the pudina. We keep it on high for 3 minutes, and after 3 minutes let them cool down, and when they cool down you crush them with the help of your palms. All the three are ready, fresh and very aromatic. We have the kasuri methi. You could add them in your gravies. The pudina, you could add them in chutneys, in gravies, or while making parathas or raitas. Finally, we have the curry leaf powder. We could use this for gravies and chutneys. Transfer the powders into airtight containers. Thanks for watching.